Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Evolution of Information Systems and Total Quality Management, which comes under the subject Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In the previous lecture, we have discussed information processing cycle. Now let's discuss evolution of information system. An information system is a combination of processes, hardware, trained personnel, software, infrastructure and standards that are designed to create, modify, store, manage and distribute information to suggest new business strategies and new products. It leads to efficient work practices and effective communication to make better decisions in an organization. There has been a significant evolution of information system over the past few decades. During 1950 to 1960, electronic data processing and a transaction processing system were introduced. During this period, the role of information system was mostly to perform activities like transaction processing, record keeping and accounting. Information system was mainly used for electronic data processing. Electronic data processing or EDP is described as the use of computers in recording, classifying, manipulating and summarizing data. It is also called information processing or automatic data processing. EDP യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഡേറ്റയെ സൂക്ഷിക്കുന്നതിനോ തരംതിരിക്കുന്നതിനോ കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനോ ക്രോഡീകരിക്കുന്നതിനോ വേണ്ടിയാണ്. EDPയെ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് എന്നോ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക് ഡാറ്റ പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് എന്നോ അറിയപ്പെടുന്നു. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം. Transaction Processing System or TPS was the first computerized system developed to process business data. TPS was mainly aimed at clerical staff of an organization. The early TPS used batch processing data which was accumulated over a period and all transactions were processed afterward. ബിസിനസ് ഡേറ്റയെ പ്രോസസ്സ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനുള്ള ആദ്യ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറൈസ്ഡ് സിസ്റ്റമാണ് TPS. ഒരു സ്ഥാപനത്തിലെ ക്ലറിക്കൽ സ്റ്റാഫിൻ്റെ ജോലി എളുപ്പമാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് TPS ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരുന്നത്. TPS കളക്ട്സ്, സ്റ്റോഴ്സ്, മോഡിഫൈസ് ആൻഡ് റിട്രീവ്സ് ഡേ ടു ഡേ ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻസ് ഓഫ് ആൻ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ. യൂഷ്വലി TPS computerize or automate an existing manual process to allow for faster processing, improved customer service ആൻഡ് റെഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് ക്ലറിക്കൽ കോസ്റ്റ്. നിലവിലുള്ള കായികമായി ചെയ്യുന്ന വർക്കുകളെ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറൈസ് ചെയ്ത് പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആക്കാനാണ് TPS യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. TPS ഈസ് ഓൾസോ നോൺ ആസ് ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് ഓർ റിയൽ ടൈം പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ്. During 1960 to 1970, Management Information System was introduced. During this era, the role of information system evolved from Transaction Processing System to Management Information Systems. Management Information System process data into useful informative reports and provide managers with the tools to organize, evaluate and efficiently manage departments within an organization. It delivers information in the form of displays and pre-specified reports to support business decision making. മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്ത ഈ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ബേസിക് ബിസിനസ് പ്രോസസ്സിങ്ങിനെ സ്വയം പര്യാപ്തമാക്കി ഏകീകരിച്ച് ഡേറ്റ പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ കൺട്രോളിനുള്ളിലാക്കി മാറ്റി. മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം ജനറേറ്റ്സ് 3 basic types of information. First one, detailed information reports. It typically confirms transaction processing activities. A detailed order report is an example of a detailed report. Second one, summary information report. It establishes data into a format that an individual can review quickly and easily. Third one, exception information report. It filters data, that is an exception inventory report. Exception reports help managers to save time because they do not have to search through a detailed report for exceptions. During 1970 to 1980, decision support system was introduced. In this era, a major advancement was an introduction of the personal computers. With the introduction of personal computers, there was the distribution of computing or processing power across the organization. Information system function associated strongly with management rather than a technical approach in an organization. The role focused on interactive computer-based system to aid decision makers in solving problems. പേഴ്സണൽ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ കണ്ടുപിടുത്തം സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിലെ കാര്യക്രമങ്ങൾ വേഗത്തിലാക്കി. This new role of information systems to provide interactive ad hoc support for the decision-making process to managers and other business professionals is called decision support systems. Decision support systems serve the planning, management and operations level of an organization, usually senior management. മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് തലത്തിലുള്ളവർക്കും ബിസിനസ് പ്രൊഫഷണൽസിനും ഒരു പ്രത്യേക കാര്യത്തിനുള്ള തീരുമാനങ്ങൾ എടുക്കുന്നതിനും ഡേറ്റയെ കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനും ഡിസിഷൻ സപ്പോർട്ട് സിസ്റ്റം സഹായകരമായി. ഡിസിഷൻ സപ്പോർട്ട് സിസ്റ്റം യൂസസ് ഡേറ്റ ഫ്രം ബോത്ത് ഇൻറ്റേർണൽ or external sources. Internal sources of data might include inventory, sales, manufacturing, or financial data from an organization's database. External sources could include pricing, interest rates, population, or trends. Managers use decision support system to manipulate the data to help with decisions. During 1980 to 1990, executive information systems were introduced. This period gave rise to departmental computing due to many organizations purchasing their own hardware and software to suit their departmental needs. Instead of waiting for indirect support of centralized corporate service department, employees could use their own resources to support their job requirements. This trend led to new challenges of data incompatibility, integrity, and connectivity across different departments. Further, top executives were neither using decision support system nor management information system. Hence, executive information systems or executive support systems were developed. Executive information systems offers decision-making facilities to executives through providing both internal and external information relevant to meeting the strategic goals of the organization. These are sometimes considered as a specific form of decision support system. During 1990 to 2000, knowledge management systems were introduced. During this era, the rapid growth of the intranets, extranets, internet and other interconnected global networks dramatically changed the capabilities of information system in business. It became possible to circulate knowledge to different parts of the world irrespective of time and space. This period also saw an emergence of enterprise resource planning, that is ERP systems. ERP is an organization specific form of a strategic information system that incorporates all components of an organization including manufacturing, sales, resource management, human resource planning and marketing. ERP ഒരു സ്ഥാപനത്തിന് വേണ്ട ഘടകങ്ങളായ നിർമ്മാണം, വിപണനം, സാധന സമ്പത്തുകൾ ഇതിനെയെല്ലാം സംയോജിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. Moreover, there was a breakthrough in the development and application of artificial intelligence techniques to business information systems. Expert systems and knowledge management systems interconnected to each other. Next is expert systems. Expert systems are a computer system that mimics the decision-making ability of human experts. It uses data from knowledge management systems to generate desirable information systems output. Examples: feedback database and helpdesk systems. Knowledge management system is an information technology system that stores and retrieves knowledge to support creation, organization, and dissemination of business knowledge within the enterprise. From 2000 to at present, we are using e-business technology. The internet and related technologies and applications change the way business operate and people work. Information systems functions in this period are still the same, just like 50 years ago, doing records keeping, reporting management, transactions processing, support management, and managing processes of the organization. It is used to support business process, decision making, and competitive advantage. The difference is greater connectivity across similar and dissimilar system components. There is great network infrastructure, higher level of integration of functions across applications, and powerful machines with a higher storage capacity. Many businesses use internet technologies and web-enabled business processes to create innovative e-business applications. E-business is simply conducting business process using the internet. In this lecture, we have discussed the evolution of information system. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.